AI Daily News Update, the 13th of July 2025. 1. Google launches AI-powered health assistant. Google introduces a new AI assistant designed to provide personalized health advice, symptom checking, and wellness tips directly through Google Search and Assistant. 2. Tesla unveils AI-driven autonomous truck. Tesla reveals its latest fully autonomous electric truck with enhanced safety features and extended battery life aimed at revolutionizing freight transport. 3. OpenAI releases multimodal chatbot update. OpenAI's chatbot now supports text, images, and audio inputs, enabling more interactive and dynamic conversations across multiple formats. 4. Microsoft integrates AI into Office 365. Microsoft adds advanced AI tools to Office 365, including automated content creation, data insights, and meeting summarization. 5. Spotify rolls out AI DJ feature. Spotify's new AI DJ curates personalized playlists, introduces tracks with voice commentary, and adapts music flow based on listener mood and activity. Don't miss out. Subscribe and become part of the family to see all our upcoming content.